Yvette, you should be able to unmute your mic.
Thank you, Risha. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, your 3 minutes will start now.
Thank you. There are three, I'm sorry, there's a hot mic again. I can hear board members speaking. May I reclaim my time?
Your 3 minutes start now. Go ahead.
Thank you. There are three issues stemming from the August 10th open board meeting that have definitely inspired me to explore all options to cure what I believe are probable violations of the California Public Record Act and the Brown Act by East Bay MUD. Issue number one, I assume it's a Brown Act violation for East Bay MUD to have unnecessary protracted delays of its board meetings. Ratepayer Nick Lawrence brought it up, and I decided to take a look, do some research, and it shows that the Brown Act allows for the adjournment of scheduled meetings. Plain and simple, East Bay MUD could just have the closed board meeting later and go over the topics after the regular board meeting, so the initial board meeting can be adjourned. This would allow board members to be able to rest and eat their lunch before the open board meeting at 1:15. Issue number two, I assume it's a violation of the California Public Records Act to tamper with and unnecessarily redact public documents, specifically the board meeting documents like video recordings. On an 8/10, there was a videotape live screen of the board meeting. On 8/19, I noticed a doctor recording was posted on the East Bay MUD website. It appeared that an unfortunate outburst by the East Bay MUD director on hot mic was removed. That evening, on 8/19, I sent the board and the general manager an email asking if they'll be curing the omission or if they could provide me the legal justification for the redaction. Since then, the recording has been restored, but I'd like to see if that can be those actions can be eliminated in the future. Issue number three, on August 10th, right after my reading of the factual allegations of Saji Pierce and Ariel Bland's civil rights lawsuit against Craig Spencer and Laura Acosta in East Bay MUD, Director Linney said, I just want to add that we cannot comment on ongoing litigation. But then he followed that by saying the district has thoroughly reviewed the facts and believes these allegations are unfounded. I believe that Director Linney spoke on behalf of East Bay MUD and outside of what the Brown Act terms as public testimony that's allowed by government officials. I further believe that Director Linney and General Counsel, who probably scripted what he said, willfully disclosed a closed board meeting litigation talking point regarding the Saji Pierce and Ariel Bland civil rights lawsuit. I can't tell you today if I'll be submitting a complaint with the Alameda County Grand Jury or if I'll be filing a writ of mandate in state court. But I'm just letting you know that I'm exploring those options to address the three aforementioned matters of public concern. Thank you.
Okay.
Any other speakers?
We have one more. We have